Want to take your live stream to the next level? Learn how to go live and share your screen with OBS Studio, a powerful live streaming software that's used by business and creators all over the world. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up OBS Studio and start streaming your screen live to your audience. Whether you are teaching a class, giving a presentation, or demoing a product, OBS Studio can help you create engaging and informative live stream that your viewers will love. If you don't know, you can download here for Windows, Mac, and Linux devices. Okay, so let's go to test the live streaming on YouTube. On your YouTube page, go to this option and go live. This page will bring you to this section, and here you can write your titles and description, but we are going for the live stream. So here, first of all, you need to write your titles. Edit this one here. Here I have given a title, a description, and I want to keep it unlisted because I don't want to go live right now. I can later on, I can save it and publish it. And here are different options: public, private, and unlisted. I will keep it unlisted. Unlisted means like I can provide this link to somebody and that person can watch even it's private or not yet uploaded. Here I can choose my thumbnail as well. So these are the basic settings. You don't need to know much about this one because you are already a YouTuber. So here is the actual deal. You will see this option, default stream key. You just go to I button here, copy this one, and if it doesn't appear on OBS, then I'll show you how to deal with that thing. First, copy this one. Now go to OBS Studio and here go to setting, and here you go to stream, and here you select YouTube HLS. If it doesn't appear, go all the way down and you will see this option here. Now you just click use stream key, and here is the key. Now you just paste that key and show this is the same key. Get the stream key here. If you want to just go directly to the YouTube, it will bring you to the YouTube, and if not, then just paste that one, and you can also copy this one from this live stream as well. It's already here. Error message was here, so what you need to do, just go to reset this one, and here reset this key, and then copy the other key. Copy this one, go to live stream, go to setting again, and here stream, and command V, hit OK, go start streaming, and now go to your YouTube again, and you will refresh this page if it doesn't appear. Alright, so it has started now. I can minimize this one, like make it at a side, and then I can show you how you can share your screen. So right now this OBS is here open, and now if I go to side by side windows, you will see whatever I do will be shown in this screen here. So now I have opened some of my folders because of the internet connection. Some lagging might be there, but yeah. If I open any of my folder here, you will see everything in this screen, right? It's a little bit slow, not as, you can't see. A live stream is always slow. So right now you can see everything, whatever I do on my screen. If I go to my Facebook or some other places, it will show on this screen as well. So if I go to this place, new tab, everything, whatever I do on my screen will be shown here. Once everything is done, you think is perfect, you can just hit save button, and
good to go. Your live stream video is ready now. You can upload it now or later on whenever you need it. If you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.